there, welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'm Portia Ingalls, one of the sales executives here, and I'm just going to do a quick video on this Audi approved S3 Sportback that we've currently got in stock at the moment, available for immediate delivery. So just to start off by saying that this is an Audi approved vehicle, so what that means is that it has been through a very thorough 149 point check to ensure that everything is up to Audi standard, as well as that you do receive a 12-month Audi manufacturing warranty, 12-month roadside assistance, 12-month MOT cover and 12-month key cover as well. So I'll just start off by going around the car and just telling you that this is the S3 Sportback 2-litre petrol engine, 300 brake horsepower. So to the front of the grille we've got the very stylish front grille. We've got the 18-inch design alloy wheels. It comes with the optional extra of having the electrically folding door mirrors and is finished off in the lovely Sepang blue. We've got the 4 chrome exhausts to the rear of the car, and I'll just show you inside the boot. Really good sized boot, and we do have these split folding rear seats as well to create extra room. And just to show you that the car does come with the space saver spare wheel as well. So this car also does have the assistance driver pack on it, so with that you do get quite a few packages on. So you get the parking system front and rear, high beam control, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, hill hold assist and the light and rain sensors as well. So I'm sure you'll get a really stunning looking car. Okay, so I'll just show you inside. So we enter the vehicle, you do get the S3 design logo there. You've got the full leather interior with the S3 on the seats. And exactly the same full leather interior to the rear of the car as well. So just to show you the exact mileage, the car has covered just over 19,000 miles, so 19,857 miles. And it is on a 16 plate car, so nice low mileage for the age of the car. So as I mentioned, it does have the light and rain sensors, so you've got the automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers as well. With the S3 you do receive the flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, where you've got access to volume control, voice command, sat-nav functions, and also to change the display on the centre console here. Now on here we can view our short and long term memory, range, whilst also having access to our radio functions, telephone when connected via Bluetooth, and also the sat-nav. Now as I mentioned, the car does have the adaptive cruise control. And here we have the MMI screen that can be put down as well throughout driving if required. Now on here, this is where we have access to our radio functions, including digital radio, our sat-nav, our media, which we can use connected via Bluetooth, but also still having access to the CD player, which is just located in the glove box there. And also connect your mobile phone via Bluetooth, so you can use your phone hands-free as well. As I mentioned, to the exterior, the car does have Parking System Plus, so you do receive front and rear parking sensors, which as well as an acoustic aid, there is a visual aid just located on there as well. And we've got the very stylish air vents, which are located right throughout the car. Now with it being the S3 and the 2-litre petrol, the car is Quattro, so you do benefit from having the 4-wheel drive technology. We've got the automatic stop-start in the car, and also Audi Drive Select. So with the Audi Drive Select you can change your functions from dynamic, individual, efficiency, comfort and auto. And the car does come with the dual climate control, which work independently, and the heated front seats function. This car is the S-Tronic automatic gearbox and comes with the electric parking brake and the hill hold assist there as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short video of our Audi approved S3. I'm sure you'll agree it's an absolute stunning car, really nice low miles and really nice specification of the vehicle as well. So just to recap you on the price, this car is priced at £25,488 and is available on our PCP solution plan as well. If you'd like a personalised finance quote or would like to arrange a test drive, please contact myself, Portia Ingalls, on 01228 544 455. Thank you.